oke. Oh begitu.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. So we are starting with our next technical session number 6, and for that session I would like to request Dr. P. Balakrishnan Nair to be the session chair. Kindly come on the stage, sir. And I request Dr. Sanjeev Bhandari to co-session the chair. In this technical session we have 5 paper presentations, and I request every presenter to be here in the hall. Thank you so much.
Hello. So, good afternoon. We'll start technical session number 6, which is going to be the final technical session before the valedictory function. And so we have got just around 1 hour, and we have got 5 papers to go. That is another part. But usually we have to be cutting short the time for all people. However, we just see how best we can see there is who has come down from Banaras. And in that case, he has to go out also, so I just put, that Banaras paper on the first, and we can give 15 minutes for that particular person, and rest of the people, okay, will be giving you around 10 minutes each. So that we can cover up in 1 hour, because anticipating some questions in between, so we have to accommodate everyone's needs, so that is the reason. So I request on the ground. And my name is Balakrishnan Nair, and I am the chair person for this particular session. And my co-chair is
My name is Dr. Sanjeev Bhandari from Baba Singh Barajan Police Service.
And I request now Professor Muhammad Zahid Khan, Institute Department of Mechanical Engineering, Institute of DH1.
A very good afternoon, but somebody has to look at the projector. So, Professor Muhammad Zahid will be presenting a topic on investigating the influence of laser head movement on clad array quality in laser clad. And I request someone please come over and then try to connect the projector. Can we can? Anyone? No? Yes. Yes, good job. Good job, man. Thank you very much, my dear boys. Thank you. Yes, I think you can start the session now. Please hold on, try to accommodate on the time part of it. Okay, please do that. 2 minutes now. Okay, so I try to finish as quickly as possible. This is basically a work that we have carried out, and my student Vikas Divakar is actually working on this project. And what we have done in this, that we have investigated the influence of laser beam movement on the clad array quality during laser cladding. So just quickly I will say that we have some good facilities in the area of welding and cladding. I invite the students who are sitting here, they can come and join our research group. We have got a wonderful research group. We have got all material characterization and all the facilities. That was one of my objectives to come here, was to invite good students. They can join our group. So basically my area of research is welding, and we all know that welding is basically a process of permanent joining of material. Generally speaking, it appears to be a very simple statement that we have to simply join two pieces of material, but whenever we are doing it, the minimum requirement is that the strength of the joint should either equal to the strength of the base material that has been welded or better exceeding. Other than that, there are other constraints, like it should bring about a minimum changes in the surrounding area. The process should be environmental friendly and safe to the welder. Now, if you account for these three, we are hardly able to achieve them in real practice. Now, taking this welding to a higher level, we are using these welding processes for another application known as surfacing, where we deposit a layer of material on a base material known as a substrate to improve some of the desired properties and causing no intrinsic change to the underlying material. This process of surfacing can be further divided into two parts. One is hard facing, where a wear resistant metal layer is deposited on a material that is subjected to wear and tear. Then there is a process known as cladding, where a thick layer of filler material is applied to provide corrosion resistance to the substrate, and there is a build-up process where addition of material is
National Convention of Mechanical Engineers and National Seminar on Innovation in Mechanical Engineering
sustainable manufacturing technologies, design and energy system. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests, distinguished speakers and participants. We are honored to have with us our chief guest, Engineer Baldev Singh Saran, Chairman cum Managing Director, Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, Patiala, and guest of honor, Engineer N.T. Ranga Reddy, former Chairman, Mechanical Division Board. We are also privileged to have with us Engineer S.S. Murli, FIE Vice President, Institution of Engineers, India. I am extremely overwhelmed to welcome Dr. Lal Singh, FIE, Chairman, Institution of Engineers, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, and Engineer Savinder Singh, Honorary Secretary, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre. Now I request all the dignitaries to be seated on the dais. I request Dr. Lal Singh and Engineer Savinder Singh to accompany our esteemed guests to the dais. Flowers always make people better, happier and more helpful. They are sunshine, food and medicine to the fruit. To make this event more happier, now I request Dr. Lal Singh to honor today's chief guest, Engineer Baldev Singh Saran, Chairman cum Managing Director, Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, PC, PSPCL, Patiala, and guest of honor, Engineer N.T. Ranga Reddy, former Chairman, Mechanical Division Board. I request Engineer Savinder Singh to present a bouquet to Engineer S.S. Mundi, Vice President, Institution of Engineers, India. Thank you, sir. Give bouquet to guest of honor, N.T. Ranga Reddy. Now, I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Lal Singh, FIE, Chairman of Institution of Engineers, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre. I request him to extend a gracious welcome to our guests and participants. Dr. Lal Singh.
Thank you, Dr. Vikas. Good afternoon, everybody. I welcome to the valedictory function everybody available here on the 39th National Convention of Mechanical Engineers and National Seminar. On behalf of the Institute of Engineers, Punjab and State Centre, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, it's my honor and privilege to welcome our chief guest of today, Engineer Sardar Baldev Singh Saran, who is CMD, Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, PSPCL, and our guest of honor, Shri Ranga Reddy, Dr. Ranga Reddy, on this occasion of closing ceremony of the convention. I also welcome Engineer S.S. Mundi, who is our present Vice President of IPI, and I welcome our Honorary Secretary, Engineer Sundar Singh ji, and Madam Manpreet, who are available on the mass. I also extend a warm welcome to our distinguished delegates, locals and friends from the press and electronic media who have joined us today. Your presence is a testament to the importance of this convention, and we are grateful for your continued support and blessings. As we conclude the 39th National Convention of Mechanical Engineers and National Seminar, I am thrilled to reflect on the insights and the lessons we have gained over the past 2 days. Our theme, Innovations in Mechanical Engineering, Sustainable Manufacturing Technologies, Design and Energy Systems, has been a resounding success, thanks to your active participation and engaging discussions. We have witnessed thought-provoking memorial lectures, keynote speeches, state-of-the-art lectures, and innovative research papers presentations. Our expert speakers have shared valuable insights, and our award winners have inspired us with their achievements. We have also seen the potential of Industry 4 and Industry 5.0 and the importance of inclusiveness and innovation in shaping our future with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and smart manufacturing, especially new materials, additive production, and robotics, to name a few. As we move forward, let us remember the key takeaways from the convention, that is collaboration, sustainability, and adaptability. Let us continue to push boundaries, challenge ourselves, and work together to create a brighter future for our mechanical engineering field. I once again welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. Engineer Badev Singh Sarangi, our guest of honor, Ranga Reddy ji, and other dignitaries on the dais. I express gratitude for gratitude to everybody here to grace this occasion with their presence. Once again, I welcome all our esteemed speakers, faculty, students, delegates and organizers, and the audience present in the hall. Let us carry the momentum forward and continue to innovate, inspire, and excel in the field of technology. I wish the delegates a safe journey also back home afterwards probably. And thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming us. I must also acknowledge the private role played by Engineer S.S. Mundi, FIE Vice President, Institution of Engineers, India, in making this event a resounding success. Your presence here today truly enhances the significance of our gathering. He has done hard work day and night for making the event successful. Now let me introduce to Engineer S.S. Mundi. Engineer Sukhbir Singh Mundi did have his graduation from Institution of Engineers, India. He served the irrigation department on the various projects. He also served canal lining, Eastern Canal, interstate canal like Rajasthan feeder and Bikaner canal, and major food protection works in the state during the floods in the Punjab state. While working in canal administration, he also acted as a divisional canal officer and collector. He also served in vigilance and quality control department and was responsible for the quality of more than 300 crore important projects in irrigation department
Punjab. He is Managing Director, Road Ease Solution Private Limited. Presently, he is a council member, Institution of Engineers India, representing Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre and Vice President, Institution of Engineers India. Now I request to Engineer S.S. Munde to address the audience, please. Engineer S.S. Munde.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dear Chief Guest Chairman from Managing Director of PCPCL, Guest of Honor Dr. N.T. Ranga Reddy, former Chairman NCDB, esteemed delegates, distinguished speakers, council members, corporate members, and fellow engineers. It gives me immense pleasure to address this esteemed gathering on the validity occasion of the 39th National Convention of Mechanical Engineers. Over the past 2 days, we have been privileged to witness insight, discussion, innovative ideas, and impactful presentation centered around innovations in mechanical engineering, sustainable manufacturing technology, design, and energy system. The deliberation of this convention have reinforced the critical role that mechanical engineering plays in advancement of sustainable technologies. From cutting edge manufacturing process to the next generation of energy efficient system, the ideas shared here not only underscore the value of our field, but also point towards the future where technology and sustainability walk hand in hand. Innovation and sustainability, the new pillars of progress. These sessions conducted here have underscored the importance of balancing industrial growth with an environmental responsibility. The theme of sustainable manufacturing technology is not just a buzzword but a necessity for a future that is both prosperous and environmentally secure. We have seen a remarkable innovation in this space, ranging from material science to advanced automation, all aimed at reducing our carbon and while enhancing productivity. Our discussion on the energy system has also highlighted the pressing need of alternative cleaner energy sources, better energy management, and more efficient design framework. As the world grapples with energy shortages and the threat of climate change, the mechanical engineering community has a critical role in driving this transformation towards greener, smarter solutions. As we conclude this convention, it is important to remember that innovation must continue behind these conferences halls. It is now time to each of us to take the valuable insights gained from these sessions and apply them to real-world challenges. Whether in such laboratories, manufacturing floors, or policy-making platforms, we have the responsibility to lead the way towards a more sustainable and technologically advanced world. IIA is committed to supporting the endeavors of mechanical engineers in their quest of innovations. We pledge to create more platforms for the knowledge sharing, collaboration, and development in these areas that are so vital in our future. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the organizers, speakers, and participants for making this convention a great success. The exchange of knowledge and expertise during these sessions have been invaluable, and I am confident that the seeds of innovation sown here will bear fruit in the coming years. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing the remarkable contributions that will undoubtedly arise from the ideas shared during this convention. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, it is proud privilege to introduce Dr. Manpreet Kaur, convener of the conference. She is working as an associate professor at Baba Banda Singh Bahadur College of Engineering, Fatehgarh Sahib. She won Best PhD Thesis Award by NACE International Gateway India section. She published 40 research papers and 50 papers in conference proceeding and 3 book chapters. She has supervised 6 MTech and 5 PhD students. I request Dr. Manpreet Kaur, convener of the National Convention, to present the report on technical session. Dr. Manpreet Kaur.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our honorable chief guest of today's function, Engineer Baldev Singh Sarangi, CMG, PSPL Patiala, Dr. N.T. Langa Reddy ji, guest of honor, Engineer Sukhveer Singh Mungi ji, FIE, Vice President, the Institution of Engineers India, Dr. Lav Singh ji, Chairman, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, Dr. Lakhveer Singh ji, Principal, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur Engineering College, Fatehgarh Sahib, Professor Dr. T.S. Kamal, former Vice President, IEI, Engineer Srinder Singh ji, Honorary Secretary, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, distinguished Mechanical Union Council members from various states, all Executive Committee members, IEI, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, or organizing team members, heads, deans, faculty members, colleagues, guests and participants from various parts of the country who have joined this valedictory function physically and are connected online via YouTube. On behalf of the organizing committee and myself, it is my distinct honor and great pleasure to welcome every one of you to the valedictory ceremony of 39th National Convention and National Seminar of Mechanical Engineers on Innovations in Mechanical Engineering, Sustainable Manufacturing Technologies, Design and Energy Systems. In this 2-day National Convention, researchers, professionals, academicians, industrialists and students from around the nation have gathered here to share their research work, knowledge and experiences. The technical program of the convention comprised nearly 32 research review papers. More than 150 participants from various states have registered for the convention. 6 invited talks were presented. The papers were presented in the 6 technical sessions. The first 2 technical sessions were on 13 September yesterday in the afternoon. 3 parallel sessions were organized today in the morning and 1 was in the afternoon. The presentations were in the hybrid mode. Few of the papers were presented online also. The technical session 1 focused on HVAC and R. One invited talk was delivered by Mr. Vikram Murthy, Ishray Society Presidential Member on Heat Transfer Enhancement for HVAC and R. 5 papers were presented during the session. Professor Jyot Singh from Punjab University, Chandigarh, Engineer Ramveer Singh, University School of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Roper, Riyadh Bahara University, and Engineer Dinesh Kumar from Punjab University, Engineer Soni Gupta from MIT University, Rajasthan, Engineer Sanjeev Kumar from IKG PTU Kapurthala. The researchers presented their original work focusing on heat transfer applications, the survey of optical sensors in the automotive and aerospace sectors, and the potential of thermal spray coated steels in hydrodynamic applications. From exploring the heat transfer behavior of nanofluids to investigating the potential of radioactive cooling in heat transfer application, researchers presented shed light on new horizons in heat transfer technologies. Technical session 2 focused on innovations in mechanical engineering, and in that Dr. P. Padma Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering, PLN College of Engineering, Tamil Nadu. He presented the paper on design and development of his paper on various innovative techniques. Further, a paper on design and development of customized 3D printing healthcare products presented. A new system for measuring foot pressure and creating custom insoles was developed using modern technologies. Dr. Kingshuk Sen, Assistant Director in the Institution of Engineers India, presented a talk on customer-centric manufacturing system, a brief overview. The study focused on the significant aspects of mass customization, mass personalization and application of intelligent manufacturing systems. The study concluded with the application of digital manufacturing in a customer-centric manufacturing system in the advent of Industry 4.0. Engineer Piyush Khanna from MIT University Mohali, he presented his paper on trends in particle reinforced friction stir spot welding, a state-of-art approach. In the technical session 3, the papers were mainly focused on advanced manufacturing techniques. In the morning, the state-of-art lecture was delivered by Dr. Harmesh Kansal, UIET Chandigarh. He presented on digital and smart manufacturing. Next, the invited talk was delivered by Engineer J.P. Kundra from Chima Boilers, that is hydrogen as a renewable fuel. The papers were presented by Mr. Nilkamal Kalita from IIT Guwahati, Assam, Engineer Harshit Pal from MIT University Mohali, then Professor V. Surya Kumar from Tamil Nadu, India, Engineer Smriti Goyal from MIT University Mohali, and then again Ms. Arshvi Kaur from Baba Banda Singh Bahadur Engineering College, Fatehgarh Sahib. The technical session 4 and 5 were held in online mode. The papers were focused on smart manufacturing, energy efficient systems and sustainable manufacturing. And in the last technical session, it was held in offline mode, and Professor Muhammad Zahid Khan from IIT BHU Varanasi, he presented his paper on investigating the influence of laser head movement on clad array quality in laser cladding. Engineer Sarabjit Singh from UIET Punjab University Chandigarh, he presented his paper on advanced material technologies. Then Engineer Gaurav Rai from IIT Bhopal, he presented his talk on strengthening aerospace defense, advances in laser abrasion resistant coatings. Engineer Sushant from Chandigarh University Mohali, he presented his paper on laser welding of magnesium alloys. Engineer Aishwarya Saini and Engineer Sumit Goel, they presented their work in collaboration with mechanical and computer engineering, very innovative work. So the combination of mechanical and computer engineering was presented. The interdisciplinary research was done by the authors. Mechanical engineering plays a crucial role in shaping a sustainable and prosperous future as we delve into a wide array of topics across various areas. From heat transfer enhancement in HVAC and R to advancements in sustainable manufacturing technologies, design approaches, energy systems and innovative machining techniques, each session offered a unique perspective on cutting-edge research and innovation in the field. Moreover, the discussions on sustainable construction materials, energy efficiency in buildings and the use of flexible electronics for chemical sensing applications underscored the growing emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly practices in mechanical engineering. On behalf of the organizing team and myself, I express my sincere thanks to all the authors for their contribution to this convention. We would like to thank all the distinguished persons, Mechanical Engineering Division Council members who chaired and co-chaired our technical sessions. Many thanks to our advisory committee members for their valuable advice and suggestions during the program. We would like to thank our keynote lecture speakers for finding their valuable time, delivering knowledgeable lectures, guiding our students in the right path. Last but not the least, we thank every person who voluntarily helped us make this program a grand success. In the end, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the committee members who worked hard and contributed to the successful completion of this program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. proud privilege that Dr. P. Balkrishan Nair, Council Member, Institution of Engineers India, among with us, who has chaired the last technical session and drafted the recommendations. It is requested to Dr. P. Balkrishan Narayan, Council Member and Member MCTP to read the draft of recommendation to be sent to the headquarters. Dr. P. Balkrishan.
Good afternoon. All the chief guests, Baldev Singh Gandhi, Engineer S.S. Modi, Vice President, Engineer Ram Singh Ji, Chairman, Punjab State Pension Legal State Center, Engineer Dr. M.D. Rangareddy, MCD Chairperson, Engineer Surinder Singh, Honorary Secretary, and Engineer Manpreet Singh, the coordinator for all these technical sessions, and all other people who are sitting on the off the dais. Good afternoon to all of you, my dear. See, my responsibility has been to read out the recommendation that has emanated out of the various technical sessions that have been presented, technical paper that have been presented. As Manpreet ji has mentioned, nearly 32 papers have already been presented by various personalities who have come from both academics as well as from industries, and it gave us wide range of knowledge, wide range of information, and wide range relating to the theme. So that is most important. So I just read out without going too much deep onto that. The speakers. The first one, the speakers during the National Convention highlighted the future of mechanical engineers as bright, and interdisciplinary learning and alignment need to be explored. Mechanical engineers should apply artificial intelligence and machine learning software integrated with hardware and technologies. They need to be applied in all sectors and be compatible with the recent innovations. Academia and industries need to join hands and enhance proper and useful collaboration. Number 2, healthcare products should be encouraged. The technical papers in session 2 presented the techniques of how foot pressure can be measured on custom-made insoles using modern technologies like force-sensitive resistors, Arduino microcontrollers, and 3D printers. Number 3, customer-centric manufacturing systems can be evolved using the applications of mass customization, mass personalization, intelligent manufacturing systems, and human-machine interface. A state-of-the-art approach to recent trends in particle reinforced friction stirred spot welding discussed how the strength of the reinforcement pads can be analyzed through the holes drilled in the reinforcement. This technology must be encouraged for better factory and manufactured goods and materials. An approach should be looked into heat transfer applications using the survey of optical sensors, and there is a need to explore the potential of thermal spray coating techniques and their effects on hydroturbine applications. The heat transfer behavior can investigate the potential of radioactive cooling processes as well. The separation of hydrogen and its use as a renewable fuel need to be explored in a large-scale manner as hydrogen emerges as a future clean energy fuel. E-waste management is another area for improving sustainability. At present, our country does not have proper regulations in recycling and reusing e-waste. This will affect a sustainable circular economy. Industry 4.0 and its extended use of AI and ML on manufacturing robots have become the order of the day. Various components can be manufactured using these Industry 4.0 digitalization aspects. Encouragement should be given to the startups and promising entrepreneurs. Sustainable construction practices using materials increase the efficiency of energy in buildings which will also reduce thermal conductivity, and that should be promoted. The use of self-curing concrete using fly ash aggregates for rigid pavements on the roads can reduce the breakages happening on these structures and can also prevent the falls of personnel who are using them for exercise. Aerospace defense programs should be given top priority as it deals with the defense policies of the government. Various advances in coatings and materials need to be addressed, and the most prominent one is the laser ablation, and laser building of magnesium alloys should also be considered, which can reduce the impact of human involvement. So these are the findings what we have put up, and so thank you very much for that, and I complete this.
Thank you, sir. Now, let me introduce our guest of honor, Engineer N.T. Ranga Reddy, former Chairman, Mechanical Division Board. Dr. N.T. Ranga Reddy is a technocrat and industrialist with 37-year experience in the field of aerospace design, manufacturing, assembly and tool manufacturing. He completed his M.Tech from CITD Hyderabad. Dr. N.T. Ranga Reddy began his career with Hindustan Aeronautical Limited Bangalore in 1986. He then went to begin his own venture, Legion Designers, Mysore in 1992, which specialized in tooling and manufacturing of SPNs, aerospace structures, assembly jigs and slip rings. In 1998, he founded Legion Technologies Private Limited Bangalore, a company that offers end-to-end design and end fabrication of aerospace assembly jigs and structures. Dr. Ranga Reddy also completed his post-graduation diploma in management from Indira Gandhi Open University in 1992 and obtained his doctorate degree in engineering and technology. As a chairman and managing director of Legion, he has been involved in several domestic projects such as light combat aircraft, advanced light helicopter, light combat helicopter, and so on. He plays an active role in numerous professional organizations, co-chairman at SIDM Karnataka State Center, honorary secretary, Karnataka State Central Institution of Engineers India, chairman All India Mechanical Council Division, Institution of Engineers India. Now I request to Engineer M.T. Ranga Reddy to address the audience, please. Engineer M.T. Ranga Reddy.
Namaskar, good afternoon to you all. Respected Chief Guest, CMD of Bangalore Port Corporation Limited, and my Vice President of IEI, Odisha, and dignitaries on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, dignitaries, and most importantly, the brilliant engineers and future leaders of this country. I am deeply honored to be the guest of honor at this prestigious event. As we gather here today to conclude our remarkable 2 days conference, I want to start by expressing my heartfelt thanks and admiration for the incredible work done by Punjab and Chandigarh State Center. And I am deeply honored and your dedication and fostering innovation, knowledge sharing and collaboration with the engineering community is truly commendable. The conference has brought together some of the brightest minds, and I am thrilled to see the enthusiasm and passion that permeates in this room. As engineers, we are the architects of the progress, driving technological advancements and transforming lives. Your work has the power to shape the future and address the pressing global challenges and create a better world for all. Today's conference has showcased cutting-edge ideas, pioneering research and inspiring stories. I encourage you to continue pushing boundaries, exploring new frontiers and leveraging technology to the greater good. To the young engineers, I say never stop learning, never lose curiosity and never hesitate to challenge the status quo. Your creativity, resilience and determination will shape the future of our world. In conclusion, I would like to leave you with a quote from Isaac Asimov. The scientists and engineers are the wizards and the magicians of today's world. Thank you, Engineers India, for inviting me to share the magic of this movement. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Now, without further delay, let me introduce our Chief Guest, Engineer Baldev Singh Saran, Chairman cum Managing Director, Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, TSPCL, Patiala. Engineer Baldev Singh Saran is only engineer of TSPCL who has been appointed as a CMD TSPCL twice. He has played an important role in all the round development of Punjab in power sector, and TSPCL has achieved various milestones during his both tenure as CMD TSPCL. He completed his BE Engineering with honour from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana in 1982 and joined TSEB in June 1983 as an assistant engineer. He has served TSPCL for more than 34 years in all facets of power sector and has vast experience of more than 19 years in generation, 6 years in transmission, 1 year in commercial and 8-year experience in distribution sector. During 19-year tenure in generation, he worked in the construction as well as the operation and maintenance of thermal plants and remained deeply involved in the project's planning and analyzing the cost of generation, maintenance schedule and operational efficiency. His entire career has showcased his abilities, intelligence, faith and character as he navigated through numerous challenges and utilized the powers of his office for the betterment of power sector and the state. He indeed does not follow conventional or well-proven routes for the method. Instead, he chooses to go in the directions or take approaches that are not commonly used or explored by others. Last year, he was awarded as an eminent engineer personality by our Institution of Engineers India during National Convention of Electrical Engineering at Shimla. Now I request to Engineer Baldev Singh Saran to deliver address.
Most distinguished members on the dais, guest of the honor, Dr. A.P. Reddy, Dr. Lal Singh Pari, Chairman, Punjab Chapter,
engineer, SS Mubidi, Vice President, IE National level, Engineer Surinder Singh ji, Honorary Secretary, and Dr. Manpreet Kaur, Convener. My dear friends, Dr. Balakrishnan ji, my dear friends, and the members who have presented various chapters. First of all, good evening to everybody, and I really feel proud to always proud to be amongst my own community or my own class, particularly when you are sitting just like a classroom. It always looks a very good, it will be a very good feeling, particularly when you are listening only to the well-meaning people who are really who are spending their life for the welfare of the community. It is very good to know that Dr. Balakrishnan has already narrated all that this paper presented here. Mechanical engineering touches every phase of every aspect of our life. In fact, I do say that all other engineering are just supporting engineering. The mechanical engineer which deals with the machine, basically which do the productivity, is the core engineering process from where all the sectors are being served by this engineering sector. It's very good to know that in this session about this innovations in mechanical engineering, sustainable manufacturing technology, design and energy systems have been discussed, and it has been brought out that how we can increase the efficiency, reliability and efficiency of the system by using different methods. Nowadays, I think the IT sector is the latest innovation in our engineering, where we can benefit and we can increase our performance and efficiency, and particularly artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are the techniques for transforming the landscape of the mechanical engineering, manufacturing technology and energy system by enabling smarter, more efficient process. These technologies are driving innovation in various areas such as predictive maintenance, design optimization, energy efficiency and automation. In the mechanical engineer, smart design and predictive maintenance are very important, and we can improve our predictive maintenance as well as design with the help of AI and ML algorithm for revolutionary in the mechanical engineering. Similarly, in the chapter regarding this optimization and sustainability also, AI and ML play a critical role in optimizing the energy system by analyzing vast amounts of data to improve energy consumption, generation and distribution. Nowadays, another big challenge before us is the climate change, what I suppose, and in the present system, to do the clean energy, and then to just fit in it or to put it in a better way in the grid. AI and this machine learning is very important. To achieve our core target, collaboration and networking, it is very important that the rapid pace of technological advancement in AI and ML necessitates strong collaboration among the researchers, engineers, developers and students. Cross-disciplinary collaboration promotes the sharing of ideas and expertise, driving further innovation in these fields. And it is very good to know that IEI is giving a very good and vast platform for all of us to collaborate. Network, working platform, academic industry, partnership and collaborative research projects create opportunities for stakeholders to work together on cutting-edge solutions to a real-world problem. Students and researchers can explore theoretical frameworks and algorithms to solve complex engineering challenges. Engineers and developers bring these ideas to life by implementing AI and ML tools in the practical application. I think we all should collaborate to achieve the target of our Earth, to serve our community, and IEI is playing a vital role in this case by uniting all the engineers to achieve this target. I am very thankful for inviting me today and allowing me, meeting me to all the distinguished members. It was good for me to just read few minutes earlier. So really I have done this paper from gentleman, and it was very interesting that how technologically we can advance and do this. With this I thank everyone, and I hope that the chapter will continue to the platform, to the engineers, to the students and to the industry leaders to use their innovative solutions for the efficiency of the system. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our special thanks goes to Dr. Tara Singh Kamal, former Vice President, Institution of Engineers, India and former Chairman, ETGP, for his guidance and support for making the conference successful. To honor the guests present today, in order to appreciate and respect they have presented with mementos, may I now request Engineer S.S. Mundi, FIA Vice President, Institution of Engineers, India, Dr. Lal Singh, FIA Chairman of Institution of Engineers, India, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, Engineer Savinder Singh, Honorary Secretary, Manpreet Kaur, to present the mementos to our esteemed guests. I request today's chief guest, Engineer Baldev Singh Sram, Chairman cum Managing Director, Punjab State Power Corporation Limited, PSPCL Patiala, Punjab, to receive the token of love and appreciation. I may also request today's guest of honor, Engineer N.T. Rangareddy, former Chairman, Mechanical Division Board, to receive the token of appreciation. Our supporters, Mr. Grish Jain, CGM Indian Oil, kindly receive the token of respect. Mr. Grish Jain. Mr. Shashant Goel, CGM HPCL, Engineer Pavel Lines, Dr. Lal Singh. I may also request today's convener, Dr. Manpreet Kaur of the convention, to receive the token of appreciation. She has hard worked day and night for making the event successful. We have to distribute some certificates of the last technical session.
Yes, Sarabjit Singh. Engineer Gaurav from IIT Roper. Ms. Aishwarya Sen and Ms. Sumit Goel. I would like to invite Dr. P. Balakrishnan Nair, who has chaired the session number 6, to receive his memento. And Dr. Sanjeev Bhandari, who co-chaired the session.
Before we conclude, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Engineer Savinder Singh, SIE Honorary Secretary, for vote of thanks.
Good evening to everyone. It is my immense pleasure to promote a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of valedictory session of 39th National Convention of Mechanical Engineers. I, on behalf of the Institution of Engineering India, Punjab and Chandigarh State Center, Mechanical Division Board, IEI, and Baba Bandar Singh Bahadur, Engineering College, Fatehgarh Sahib, Punjab, particularly thankful to respected Engineer Dev Singh Khan, CMD, PS, PL Punjab, for having kindly consented to be the chief guest of this valedictory session. I am thankful to Engineer S. Modi, FIE, Vice President, for giving overall support day to day for this convention. I am thankful to Dr. N.P. Ranga. I am thankful to guest of honor, Dr. M.P. Ranga Reddy, former chairman NCDB, IEI. I am thankful to members of Technical Engineering, IEI. My special thanks to Dr. P.S. Kambal, FIT Former Vice President, to be a guiding spirit from the state center. I am also greatly beholden to all members of the organizing committee and particularly Convener Dr. Manpreet Kaur, Associate Professor of Nursing College, Fatehgarh, who has made a great effort to organize this convention. I am also thankful to Dr. Vikas Singh ji, former chairman from the State Center for giving the praise. My special thanks to committee members and corporate members who participated in this convention. I am thankful to the authors, speakers who have presented their technical papers in this convention. I am thankful to Mr. Nikhil Sharma for convening us for media and media us to attend this convention. Last but not least, I am thankful to all those who are involved in making arrangements for this convention. I am also thankful to our office staff for cooperating cooperation to make this convention. I am also again thankful to our honorable chief guest for spending his valuable time for this, attending this convention. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, sir. May I know tomorrow we will celebrate 57 Engineers Day, followed by lunch. All corporate members are requested to attend Engineers Day event on 15 September 2024 at 10:30 a.m. in Sriko Hall of this institution. May I request everyone present to kindly raise for the national anthem. Thank you all. Kindly be seated. Lastly, I extend my sincere appreciation to all our guests, participants, committee members, and engineers for their presence and contribution for making the convention successful. Thank you everyone.
के ले जाओ
नहीं नहीं ले लो आगे खोल के ले जाओ ताकि अच्छे से नहीं आएगा फिर
All are requested to come on the stage for the group photo, please.
भाई ऐसे ही डालो प्लीज ऐसे ठीक है आप ऊपर